Finisher.
What's your answer?
Sir, I guess 7, sir. 7 next, sir.
So I get 7.
All right, let me work it and see what.
7, sir.
7.
All right, that seems correct then.
Ah.
Let's go to the whiteboard. So we have 3 open bracket x minus 2 equal 15. So there are 2 ways to work this. I'll work it one way for you, then I'll work it the other way for you. So let me see what's your approach. What's the first thing I'll do?
Sir, we multiply everything inside the bracket by 3.
I multiply out the bracket.
All right, so yeah, I'm multiply the
3.
bracket.
So I get 3x minus 6.
All right, so yeah, 3 times this and 3 times this. So 3 multiplying everything into the
3x.
bracket, right? So it's 3 times
Yes,
x.
sir.
3 times x will give us 3x. We're removing the bracket. Then we have 3 times minus 2 will give us minus 6. Right? Negative 6. And this will equal to 15, right? We replace it
Equals.
15. So we make x the subject now, right?
Then you group it, sir.
So we have x here.
Yes, sir.
And negative 6 here.
Next step, you
6.
carry over the 6.
Good.
Good. So you can carry over the 6.
So it's 15, and this 6 is what? Adding our
Which transition carry over 6?
this 6 here is subtracting. We carry it over.
Subtracting, sir.
It will add on this side, right?
We go over into
Subtracting,
positive.
add.
Good.
So that will equal to 21.
Okay, so we have 15 plus 6 will give us 21, right? And then we take over the 3 that is multiplying. If we take it over, it will then divide. All right? You have 3. Sorry. You have x now. 21 upon 21. 21 divided by 7. By 3 will give us 7. So let me go from the top. So we have this here, 3, open bracket, x minus 2, close bracket equal 15. All right? So we're saying that we're removing the bracket. To remove the bracket, we multiply 3 by everything in the bracket. So we first multiply 3 by x and 3 by minus 2. So we get 3 by x will give us 3x, and 3 by negative 2 will give us negative 6, equaling to 15. Secondly, we try to make x the subject. We take over minus 6. 6 is subtracting, it becomes a plus. So it's 15 plus 6 on the other side. We evaluate this. 15 plus 6 is 21. So now, lastly, we take over this 3 that is multiplying. We take it to the divide. So we have 21 divided by 3. So therefore, x is equal to 7. So there's another way you can work this, a shorter way. So we have here very short way. So we know, right, that this 3 is multiplying a bracket. So what we can do, we can go straight ahead and carry over this 3. And what this 3 got, when we carry over this 3, we can do?
Multiplies it. Divide
Divide by the 15.
Good. So this 3 is multiplying. So we could say, all right, let me take over this 3. Carry it over and it divides. So we get What I'm left here is x minus 2 equal to 15 divided by 3.
Yes, sir.
And 15 divided by 3 is, right?
5.
5.
So now we're trying to make x the subject. So what we need to take over?
The 2. You add the 2 and the 5 and you get 7.
So this 2
The
here,
minus 2.
the 2 is subtracting. So we take it over, it will hard. So we get 5 plus 2. And we have the same answer, which is 7. X is equal to 7.
There is why this, sir.
Excellent.
This is why the 2.
All right. You see, there are many different. The thing
I
is,
did the first way.
with maths, right? Once you understand the principle of it, you can approach it differently and end up with the same answer. Understand? So it's good that you do it differently. You don't necessarily have to do it the first way, but if you're comfortable with the first way, no problem. Once you end up with the same answer, this really matters, right? Good. Then I give you a next one to think about. So make sure you get this. Let me move on to the next question. All right. I want you guys to work number 12 for me this year. Number 12, which is x upon 4 plus 16 equal to x. And this question went in January 2001. And on the next session, see questions like number 15, 16. Those are the questions we try to apply when you come on back. So work number 12. Let me see what you are going to do. So there we have x upon
I get
4.
8, sir.
All right, let me work it together. All right, x upon 4 plus 16 equal to x. Right, let me see what we go about it. So we have, what's the first step? Let me see what we have.
You got group them, sir.
Good. So we have carried over this 2x with the x upon 4, or you have carried over the x upon 4.
Carry over the x over 4, sir.
I carry over the 2x.
All right, so we use different approaches, right? All right, let's carry over I'm thinking what you guys can do here. What you should do is the best method. All right, let's carry over the 2x, right? I'm gonna do it another way also to show you that you will get the same answer. So we group in them, right? So we have x upon 4. So this 2x, when this 2x go over, we're gonna become
Minus 2x.
minus 2x,
Minus
because
2x.
there is a positive. Plus 16. I'm gonna left over this side.
0. I got 0.
But because if we remove everything from this side, it means that nothing isn't there. All right, so it means 0 have to be here. All right,
Yes.
good. So question, I remember giving something like this before. I will do it right over here, and then I can just give it to you. So we have x upon 4. What is the coefficient of x here? Or what is the number in front of x?
1. 1.
No. We have x upon 4. What is the number in front of it? The coefficient?
1, sir.
No. All right.
2.
All right. So if I have x by itself.
0.5.
So if I have x by itself here, right? What's the coefficient of x? With number in front of x? 1, right?
1. That
1,
be
right?
minus 1.
This is 1, right? X by itself. 1 is the coefficient. So you're telling me that this and this is the same?
No.
So what is the coefficient of this?
4.
No. All right.
Quarter.
Exactly, a quarter. So you're telling, what I'm saying now is that this here is the same as if I put a quarter and I just put x. Understand? You have seen division now?
Yes, sir.
Good. So we can put it like that so that you can understand it better. So a quarter x minus 2x plus. So tell me, a quarter minus 2 will give me what? A quarter minus 2.
I get minus 1.75.
Minus 1.75 this way again, a calculator. So A quarter in decimal is 0.25. So put 0.25 minus
Yes,
2.
sir. So this way we get
Good. So we get minus, let me use decimal, minus 1.7.
minus 1.75.
Don't forget the x, right? Remember, minus 1.75 x plus 16 equals 0. So you're making x the subject. So what we need to take over?
The 16 and then minus 1.75.
So let's take over the 16. So we get 0 minus 16, right? Yeah, see now? And 0 minus 16 as well.
Negative 16.
Minus
Negative 16.
So we just take over now. We take over minus 1.75, right? Minus 1.75 is multiplying. We take it over, it will divide. So we get x
Divide.
is equal to minus, put in your calculator, minus 16 upon minus 1.75. What's your answer?
Yes, no, sir.
9.542.
Flat?
Nine 9.142.
So it's 9 point, how much?
0.142.
1, 4.
142.
Everybody get this? Everybody get this? Yes or no?
No. No, sir.
No, sir.
So what? So y'all mistake. So what y'all think? X upon
No,
4.
no,
Y'all didn't do,
sir.
what was y'all approach? What y'all think y'all did wrong?
The x over 4.
X upon 4, y'all approach it wrong.
Yes, sir.
All right. So remember, x upon 4 is a quarter x. 1 upon 4 is the coefficient. Don't never forget that.
First, I figure that 1x upon 5 is equal to 1/5 x.
Exactly.
Okay.
All right. So make sure y'all get this. Then I give you all a few to write down. And then when we come on back, we're gonna do them. want you guys to take down from number 13 to 15. Number 13 to 15, we'll try to do that in the next session. So take it down and start working number 13. And when we come on back, we'll work it together. And work number 14 together, number 15 together.